Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I want to be showing you how to improve the resolution of a low resolution image using Remini. So basically improving the resolution means you're adding some pixels to that image. Maybe the image size is even small, but when you increase the resolution, its size will increase and even its quality will increase. Okay, so to do that you're going to use the Remini enhancer tool. So to get the Remini enhancer tool, open your Remini application. Then you come to photos here, as you can see, then you come to all photos there. So basically I'll come to these three icons here, or the three lines there. Then I come to my gallery. Okay, so basically I'll choose a photo that I want to improve its resolution. Okay, so I scroll down, then I select this photo over here. Okay, so let me look for a photo. I'll select this one here. So I want to increase the resolution of this photo. Okay, so to select it, I just need to tap on this tick there. So when I finish tapping on the tick, I just need to come and tap on the enhance button over here. Alright, so basically what I'm doing is enhancing, but in the process of enhancing, I want to increase its resolution. Okay, so let's wait and see. Alright guys, so as you can see, the resolution of the image has increased, and as you can see, even it's more clear than it has been. Okay, so as you can see, there's a difference right now. Before it was clear, but not too clear that to this extent, as you can see. So this is basically increasing its resolution, guys, as you can see. So basically when you reach this point, you're done and you're good to go. You just need to come and save your image from here, then you see it in your gallery, guys. Thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.